Hey, come on. It's been like 3 years. We don't do this anymore. I'm sorry, alright? I'm just trying to make some lunch. Dude, seriously. We graduated like 3 years ago. Come on. Alright, fine. Come on in. Hey everyone, welcome to season 3. This is Greg's Post-Grad kitchen. Been a couple years since we've been in the kitchen, since Celise Conley Hall, but we're in the apartment now. Post-grad life, trying to cook on a budget. So I have a ham, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich to make. We're making sandwiches in bulk. You can keep in the freezer, and then you bring them to work in the morning, or you heat them up in the morning in the microwave, and that's your breakfast. Super easy, much cheaper than buying an egg sandwich every morning at the deli or wherever, and delicious. You can customize it. You can do hot sauce, you can do ketchup, whatever kind of meat, whatever kind of cheese you want. So let's get started.
So first step, we're gonna start by cracking some eggs into a bowl. We're gonna use about 8 eggs, and once your eggs are all in, you're gonna add about a quarter to a half cup of milk. Start whisking that all together and make sure the yolks are all broken up.
So now that our eggs are all scrambled, we're gonna put it into a baking sheet. Just gonna put a little non-stick spray. Pour it right in there. Just gonna add a little salt and pepper. Don't need to measure, just eye it. Looks good. And we're gonna go right to the oven. Our eggs. Alright, so now we're starting our meat component of the egg sandwich. It has some sliced in ham. I'm just gonna crisp it up on the stove. Nice, healthier alternative to bacon. Your right kind of standard bacon or sausage for an egg sandwich. I think I like ham with a little more crispness for the sandwich. Really just gonna fry these up for a couple minutes on each side until they get a little brown, and they'll be ready for once we start putting our sandwiches together.
While our ham and eggs are still finishing up, I'm gonna start slicing some cheese, going with a nice sharp cheddar, and I'm looking for 2 slices for each sandwich.
Alright, now that our eggs have been in the oven for about 20 minutes, these look good. You just want to make sure they're not too jiggly anymore. These look nice and cooked through. I'm just going to take these out, let the dish and the eggs cool for a bit, and then we'll start constructing our sandwiches.
So, with our eggs out of the oven and our ham off the stove, we can start assembling the sandwiches. Once the eggs have cooled, I slice them up just into 6 even rectangles. I'm going to start assembling with 2 slices of cheese on each sandwich, about 2 slices of ham, a couple spinach leaves, trying to make this a little healthier than the standard bacon, egg, and cheese. I've always been a fan of sriracha, but have recently come to love Valentina, especially on my egg sandwich. Again, I think this is a really fun and easy recipe that saves time and money. By putting in really just 30 to 40 minutes on a Sunday night, you're saving yourself from waiting on lines at the deli every morning, and you're saving money by buying and preparing this all in bulk. Of course, it's always important to start the day with a good breakfast, so I think there's a nice charm in making your own breakfast and being able to customize it as you like. Obviously, bacon or sausage would be great too on this. Arugula is also great with eggs. You can add your favorite hot sauce or chipotle mayo or whatever you like on your egg sandwich.
Alright, so our final step now is to wrap up our sandwiches to get them in the freezer. You're going to start with a damp paper towel, piece of wax paper or plastic wrap, whatever you have. You're going to take the sandwich, just wrap it up. The damp paper towel kind of works to steam the sandwich when you throw it in the microwave. Probably a minute and 45 seconds to 2 minutes will work well on high. And thanks for watching. This has been Greg's Kitchen.